Today is the 96th birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. President Ramnath Kovind, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the Atal Samadhi this morning to pay their floral tributes to the former Prime Minister. Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, along with other BJP leaders, also offered homage to Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Today is also being observed as Good Governance Day. The Prime Minister is expected to shortly visit the Central Hall of Parliament to pay floral tributes to Atalji's portrait, and then he will also be releasing a book highlighting the life and times, the work of the former Prime Minister. It contains his notable speeches also that were delivered in Parliament. These are live visuals that we're getting to you from the Central Hall in Parliament, where you've got several MPs coming together to pay their tributes for Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also there paying a floral tribute to the portrait of the former Prime Minister. After this, he is also going to be releasing a book on the life and times of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. MPs coming together there. You've had the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Prakash Birla, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and members of Parliament cutting across political lines, coming together to pay their tributes. Ghulam Nabi Azad is also there representing the Congress. So are several other senior leaders of Parliament. And this is the tribute that's coming in from the Central Hall of Parliament. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is currently there. Early this morning, he had made his way to the Atal Samadhi as well, where he paid a tribute to the former Prime Minister. Now he is at the Central Hall of Parliament. Members of Parliament all coming together to pay their tributes on the occasion of the 96th birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. It is on this date that the Prime Minister has also chosen to make the biggest outreach that he has so far to farmers. At a time when there is that massive debate over the farm laws, he will be addressing farmers from across 6 states to in fact reassure them about the farm reforms. He's also going to be distributing financial aid under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Yojana to farmers really spread across the country. And these are visuals from just a few minutes ago when Prime Minister Narendra Modi led the tributes for Atal Bihari Vajpayee. As far as the Prime Minister goes, he's always spoken very vocally about how he dreams to achieve what Atal Bihari Vajpayee also spoke about, that they share a similar vision for India when it comes to development, when it comes to one India, when he talks about Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. This is the Prime Minister also releasing the book on Atal Bihari Vajpayee right before the portrait of the former Prime Minister in the Central Hall. You've got Om Prakash Birla there. You've got the Prime Minister also really unwrapping and uncovering that book. Ghulam Nabi Azad also there of the Congress. So this is the tribute that's coming in for Atal Bihari Vajpayee on his 96th birth anniversary. This government has spoken time and again about really highlighting the life and times and the importance of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the place he is held really in India's growth story, and that really is being highlighted today as well on his birth anniversary by the Prime Minister. After paying homage at the Atal Samadhi, you had him also paying floral tributes, and now a book being released on Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The book there in the hands of the Prime Minister, Ghulam Nabi Azad to his right there. They're exchanging a word or two on that book as well. And besides that, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Prakash Birla also present there. MPs cutting across party lines have really come together for this tribute, and that's what Atal Bihari Vajpayee was known for. He was known to have a personal connect even with his political opponents. Differences aside, he always had a certain kinship with political opponents as well, and that is something also that he was known for, that he was really remarkable. That was a remarkable quality in him. Rahul Srivastava, our National Affairs Editor, is also joining us on this broadcast. Rahul, as we've been these live visuals from Central Hall of Parliament, I was talking about the legacy of Atal Bihari Vajpayee and how the Prime Minister has time and again invoked it to talk about how he shares a similar vision for India as Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Yes, certainly, Akshita. For BJP, Atal Bihari Vajpayee is a very tall figure in the pantheon. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, remember, is the first Prime Minister the BJP ever had. And if the RSS and the affiliates worked for several decades and raised a particular brand of politics in the country, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the first tentative step towards where Narendra Modi as Prime Minister stands with a complete majority of its own. And if today the BJP faces a crisis in terms of alliance partners, with Shiv Sena leaving the BJP because of some reasons, Akali Dal unhappy over the fact that the farm bills were being pushed, and today the only alliance partner in NDA or an NDA member non-BJP left being the RPI, I think Atal Bihari Vajpayee remains a beacon for the BJP, because Indian politics has changed, though the central government has majority, but coalition is a very critical element of today's politics. And Atal Bihari Vajpayee is still known to be as the best coalition manager that one has seen in Indian politics. Remember, his government lasted the full term. It had 24 odd parties in that NDA, and he led a government which led to, at one time, led India to the second atomic blast test, and there were sanctions against India. Still, he steered the economy out of that. There were great strides taken as far as the telecom sector is concerned. So what you can say is that Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the most acceptable face of the BJP, still remains the touchstone for the political party called the BJP, though the opposition-BJP relations are not the same as they used to be at one time. But you can see in the pictures that Ghulam Nabi Azad and others, who have on several occasions inside Parliament or outside invoked Atal Bihari Vajpayee, in fact have asked Narendra Modi and his government to operate like Atal Bihari Vajpayee and his government when it comes to taking and creating a political consensus.
Absolutely. Rahul, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. As we get you these visuals from the Central Hall in Parliament, we're remembering the life and times of the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee on his 96th birth anniversary.
And the special gathering has been organized to pay tribute.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.